What's up guys, Mankind here. Alright, so I got a little story. So I was at the gym just now. I was working out, just doing normal stuff, chin-ups, pull-ups, and dips. And then I heard a buzzing, I guess, but I was listening to a techno, so it kind of went with the music I was listening to, so I didn't really think much about it. But apparently the fire alarm was going off. So eventually I heard it, and I'm like, alright, well I should probably leave. So I'm gonna go to the gym right now. I'm gonna work out at the gym. Hopefully this can hear me. I know it's kind of windy. I don't know, does this help? I'm still testing the mic. Anyways guys, so I'm gonna work out at the gym. Yeah, so let's do it. Alright, so I was working out. I was having issues with the camera, so I gotta start bringing a tripod of some form with me. But then some kids came to the park, and I'm like, well, I feel like they deserve the park. I don't know. So I left. So they gave the park, so I stopped working out. But I had fun. I was climbing the monkey bars, wherever they were. Never could really do that as a kid, so it's kind of fun trying to do that now. But yeah, time to go home, eat, make a good old smoothie, and then yeah, maybe I'll go unicycle, go ride around. I want to do something active today, so we'll see. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, so I just went to Lua, it's a cafe in the area, and I ate too much before I left, and then I saw a vegan on the menu. I'm like, oh, I should eat that. So I got a vegan veggie wrap, and I got like a berry crumble, which was nice, but I could tell it was like high in sugar. Just because it's vegan doesn't mean it's healthy. Yeah, but I'm just riding home. Oops, sorry, almost dropped my phone. So I'm just riding my unicycle home right now, and yeah, that's it. Wasn't as active as I would have liked today, but you know, what can you do? But either way, it doesn't really matter. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. It's really windy, and I don't know if I'm covering the wind from the right way, but I hope I am. So yeah. Anyways, wind. Anyways, yeah, end of the video. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, animals are our friends. We don't need our friends.